We have had so many successes this year, and we are happy to celebrate all of them with you, along with upcoming events. Today, we do have some of our Tigers with us to help tell our future Tigers about all the wonderful things you can do here at Unity.
Hi, I'm Mr. Pominger. Here with me today, we have our Unity leadership team that's going to take it away. Evan and Katie are going to share out some things going on at the U.
There is a Smoky Mountains trip happening this summer. Please sign up. I promise it'll be fun.
Winter Map, congrats. We saw tremendous progress. Spring Map, can't wait to see results. They are coming soon.
Speaking school-wide this year, Access Scores Kids did amazing.
5 Essentials. Phenomenal job to our parents for completing this Essentials. We had 43% done by our parents.
I'm Ms. Kalivas, and with me we have
Mr. Katsabubas, and I'm here to introduce Brian, who's going to talk about sports at Unity.
Congrats to our sports teams as we won many championships across both grade levels this year. Special Olympics basketball went to the state tournament and finished in 3rd place. Girls and boys bowling both went to state for the 2nd year in a row. Girls 7th and 8th grade won the championship for soccer. 7th grade co-ed softball won the championship, and 8th grade came in 2nd place. Please visit the District 99 website for more summer camp registration and information. Please be on the lookout at the beginning of next year for tryouts that will start immediately at the beginning of next school year. We are looking forward to using the new turf field hopefully at the end of August.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Ibero.
and I'm Ms. Wolf.
And I'm Mr. Boyevich, and here we have Casey and Mauricio. They are going to be talking about robotics and the incentive room.
Shout out to our robotics club as we had Team Phoenix finish 3rd place at Internationals for Technical Design Report.
Excited to announce that for our student incentive room, that next year we are adding an arcade room.
Hi, I'm Mr. Rosales.
And I'm Mrs. Lee.
Hi, I'm Miss Garza, and I'm here with Maite today. She's going to tell us all about our end-of-the-year activities.
Congrats to our students that earned the opportunity to participate in our end of the year activities. 7th grade Enchanted Castle and Field Day, and 8th grade Great America and the graduation banquet.
Please make sure your child brings their hotspot, Chromebook, and chargers and pays all their fees for them to receive their diploma.
We are excited to have graduation back at Unity this year. Next year we'll be starting at 7:45 a.m. Please make sure to be on the lookout for more information.
Good luck to our 8th graders next year. We can't wait to see you. Bye!
So that's just a little bit about what we've been doing here at Unity this year, and we look forward to doing next year. Have a great summer. We're going to miss you. Make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.